Hashem Nasa Nasliach. This morning we're having another Kolel Chasut, 23rd of Cheshvan Tav Shin Pe Vav Hava Alenun Tova. Bezat Hashem, we are going to continue learning from Sidur Kol Sion, written based on teachings of Harav ben Sion Mutsafi Shlita. So continuing in topic of shenai micra ואחד תרגום, reading the Parashat Shavua 2 times with 1 Targum. It says, Mi שנאנס ולא גרע shenai micra ואחד תרגום בערב שבת חודש, יגרננה בשבת חודש קודם סעודת שחרית. One who was honest, he was unable to say, to complete 2 times the reading of the parasha with 1 ongolos. You should try to finish reading before the Seudah of the morning. And again, if he was unable to do that or he forgot, then he should do it until the next Erev Shabbat. בתחילה יגרע הפרשה שהחסר, ואחר כך יגרע את הפרשה הנוכנת. First he should do the last week's parasha, the one that he hasn't completed yet, and then the parashat of the weekly portion. ומכל מקום מזהר נסיים כל קריאת הפרשיות עד יום הושענא רבה. Nevertheless, one should be careful to complete shenai micra תרגום אחד of all these parashiyot of the Torah no later than Hoshana Rabbah. So you can complete by Hoshana Rabbah. Chiyuv Qiriyat HaParashat Shenai Micra v'Targum Echad Shaveh Hu Lekol. Now this obligation is applicable for everyone. Ben leBnei Torah, ben leAnshe Amal. Whether if a person is Torah scholar, attends regularly in yeshiva or kollel, or whether he's a businessman, he is still obligated to do twice the parasha with 1 targum. וכתב הקדמונים שעל ידי כן מחבר תורה שבכתב הוא המקרא עם תורה שבעל פה הוא Targum. And our earlier rabbis teach us that those who do shenai micra Targum echad, they unify the mikra with the Targum, which is Torah shebichtav, written Torah, with the oral Torah. Very interesting. And he makes like a 1 ohel tent for both. And his reward is very much. One needs to be careful not to interrupt in the middle of the reading. He should not say any divrei chol. Ki nivra malach al yedei qiriyata, והדיבור יכול לגרום קלקול. Wow. Because our shenai micra ואחד תרגום would create one angel, and we don't want this angel to have any blemishes. So by saying, by talking in between, a person causes blemish to this creation. ומכל מקום אם סמא ורוצה לשתות. However, if a person is thirsty and he needs to drink, יכול לברך באמצע שהכל. He is able to say a bracha in between. And בורא נפשות רבות. This is not a problem. Okay, we stop here. We continue next session. Baruch Adonai Leolam. Amen. Amen.